Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you're about to be entertained by Mr. Custard with his silly magic and nonsense. Remember to check out his videos on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram.
Hi everybody, Mr. Custard here. I asked Mrs. Custard if she could make me a mousse because I get very busy doing my balloon models at children's parties, and when there's a lot of children, sometimes it's nice to take a few out of spare. And I thought, well, if Mrs. Custard made me a mousse, it would go in some way to helping me with my party. But you know what she did? Instead of buying me a mousse, or making me a mousse rather, she bought me a yoghurt. Very nice. I'll have it later. But it's not a balloon model, and it's certainly not a mousse. So I better make my own. Okay, this is how you make the mousse. And if you want to know how to do this, go onto my YouTube channel and you can check out the video by Will Royer. He's an excellent balloon modeler. He's also a good magician too. And you can find his video and instructions on how to make balloon animals on my YouTube channel. Okay, so I better make my own mousse for my children's parties. Here we go. I think this is going to be a baby mousse. A yellow baby mousse. There we are, guys. There's the mousse.
Girls and boys, you've been entertained by Mr. Custard. We hope you've enjoyed the show.
Check out his videos on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, or visit www.mrcustard.com.